Okay, so in today's video, I want to talk about why most people will never get in shape and how you can be different. I'm not here to sugarcoat this. Most people say they want to get in shape but never will. Reason number one, no consistency. People go hard for a week and then fall off. It's not about motivation, it's about showing up when you don't feel like it. Forget about these quick fixes and, things happening fast. You just got to be consistent with the basics, all right? Every day, just show up. Just try and win every day. Take it one day at a time and stack it. Keep stacking days where you're consistent every day. Reason number two, chasing shortcuts. Everyone's looking for magic supplements and all these quick fixes and eat this and you'll lose this. And forget all that. The truth is, results come from years of habits, just good habits, stacked on top of each other. Cut out the bad habits, the junk food, the drinking, smoking, all your bad friends who are gonna get you to do bullshit. Just cut it all out, all right? Reason number three, training wrong. People spend hours in the gym, but they don't train with intensity or progression. You're just moving weight for no reason. You gotta know how to train. You can train 2, 3, 4 times a week and look good if you push yourself properly and you know how to train. All right, if you train 7 days a week but you don't know how to train, you're still gonna look like shit. You gotta know how to train. Reason number four, food lies. People either starve themselves or they binge eat and then they wonder why nothing changes. Guys, calories in for calories out. I know you don't want to hear that, but it's the truth. You just need to stick to your calories and make those calories good, healthy foods. It's about hitting calories, protein, and finding a diet that you can stick to. So, what's the real difference? The ones who actually change, they commit. They train hard, they eat smart, and they don't quit after a month. They don't just watch these videos and go, oh yeah, that sounds good, on to the next one. No. They take it in, and then they say, right, I'm doing this, I'm committing to it. And then they stick to it. I train 3, 4 times a week, I eat healthy and I get my steps in. And that's why it works for me. I found something I can stick to. I hit my steps, hit a fast in the morning, get my calories in, eat healthy. And I train 3 to 4 times a week. And that works really well for me. So the reality is you can keep doing what you're doing or you can stay the same. You can keep doing what you're doing, stay the same, or you can commit to changing. If you're ready to take it seriously, hit me up on my Instagram, Nicholas Sofiano, DM me coach, or leave a comment. I'm going to reach out to you and we're going to get you in shape and we're going to turn things around. If you like the video, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next one.